There are many churches that are operating with counterfeited Holy Spirit.
You were told that you have a gift of ancestors in the church.
Maybe 98 or 99% of Sangomas, they will tell that they were once been part of that church.
Had you not gone to that church, do you think that today you would have a story such as yours?
I think they tricked us. They say our ancestors are our angels.
I know you shared a little bit about your story and how also your marriage, ended because of the calling.
In the albinos, they've been killed because of they need their parts.
And you also spoke about them stealing fetuses.
So people actually take out body parts from people when they're alive because they believe that those body parts will
are
be
stronger,
more powerful.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to the channel, guys. So that was an old video of this man. I have been seeing him hopping onto one podcast to the next, of course, speaking about his experiences ZCC. You guys, he talks about that interview, of course, was that of from the Saint Twins. Now in that clip, he is explaining his experiences ZCC. He talks about how ancestors, ancestors, like traditional ancestors, ZCC, are seen. He alleges that ancestors are seen as Mangeloyi, as your angels in that church. He says that he was told, that he is a Sangoma and that he has, this ancestral spirit. So he needs to appease them from that church. You guys, if you watch that long interview, he talks about how a lot of Sangomas, were from that church. They attended that church for so many years. As a matter of fact, he says that they were given like an opportunity to go and, go to Wasa, to appease their ancestral spirit and then come back to the church. He says that church operates under, a certain, like a fake Holy Spirit. I don't know what to call it, but he said that, you guys. Now, he also went to this the podcast here on YouTube, whereby he speaks about his experiences. And at some point, he alleges that, there's actually, a snake from the Church of the ZCC, from the mountain and the sea. You guys, he talks about using his, Sangoma gift in the church and using it as a form of prophecy to prophesy people in the church. You guys, he said quite a lot. So let me just quickly insert the second clip. Before I do that, guys, please do make sure that you do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and to make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.
Every Sunday, in ko family nyaka ke mama ka bele motho le everyone montlong we are all going to church.
Oh yes.
Mina ngiya indlo yami. Yeah, if you are funi uzobona ukuthi uyapi.
Oh, we are restricting leyo ndlela.
Yeah, but na ube angifostela athi sihambe siye esontweni. So I remember because of ke rata bola holo. Ne ke tla fa chomyaka school bag sa di soccer boots.
Oh yes.
So ke a tseba re fitla ko kerekeng a ke re ba side ba nna one side ba nna other side. So sizongena ambone ukuthi ya sengifikile. After 5 minutes ngafasa uthandaza mina ngiyaphuma esif ngiya etoilet.
Yes.
Yeah. That's how I love soccer and that's how I hated
Mudimu.
Yeah, by that time I was thought that hore Mudimu okakwa. By that time I thought where is ZCC, yeah, it's a church.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah. All right.
So by that time, the way I just told myself, you know what, this thing, yeah, it has to come to an end. But there was no way wrong. It like hala until it came. So I told myself, I gave first grade 12. Because of tlabakela one ke tlo phela life ya ka the way ke batla ka hona.
Yes.
So I did that After completing my matric, I came this side of Joburg. Ke tlo further ba the studies tsa ka hona. So indeed I was alone. Like phela life yaka without God, without anyone forcing me to go to church, without anyone telling me about God. So life was cool. Until this other day, I had a vision. Ke bona batho ba go ZCC. Ne ke bona there are this group of people ba bina nkedi. Nkedi thola bana ba ipere dikhethe, ba ipere diputsi ba bina.
Yes,
yeah, so ba bangwe ke bona ba ipere dikhaki. So ke bone ke kopana le bona sona. So in that dream ke ba bone, then immediately I woke up. After waking up, my spirit was longing to go to that church.
Okay.
But I kept on fighting or resisting that spirit because of I knew or no, hanna le kereke.
Oh yes.
How is my side? Yeah, but you know what you resist persist. So I resisted until that thing overcame me. Up to a point whereby okay, let me just go to church. Remember, by that time, when I go to church, I couldn't even feel the presence of God. I couldn't even understand what's going on because of a pastor would just stand in front, reading the Bible, praying. Yeah, and the worst part, I was scared of the prophet because it's CC.
Oh,
because
why?
Of
Banjani?
Baba ngwe heba kena ke moya, they shout.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, ba shout ula bana madlosi ba kena ke moya ba bangwe ba etsa ntho tseo ka reng ke madlosi. So I was not feeling comfortable ka zona ntho tsena ke re ai. Immediately ngare ke dutse ko kerekeng, someone a kena ke moya mona. Like ke betha uvalo.
Oh, yes.
And that thing can last maybe 20 minutes. It's better.
Yo.
So I was like, "Ay, this thing say nah, I didn't get so very sharp." So when that thing ate la one, I was like, "Yo, I wonder what was Allah." So I did that. Kaya ko kerekeng.
Yes.
I ke fitla ko kerekeng, you know, because it's CC ba thoma kwa shapampo ba betha matsoho this mpogo. So it was ba le ko ntle ba phaphathela mpogo. Le nna ke no join. Ka joina re sali busy o tlile one of the prophet and pizza re bona le ba bitsa Inspire mo lorong the prophet ba bolela ditaba hona.
Okay, mina ngaze ngiya khona nje. Wena usuzongipicturela ukuthi ukwenzakalani. Yes.
Yeah, there's a place whereby ba profeta ba profeta la hona.
Okay.
Yeah, a ulong ka motho wa molela ditaba tsa ke re ka mona kerekena di born again, you can just tell someone their prophets in front of everyone. So that side, you know, their side is sona. We call you aside lo bolela ditaba tsa hao.
Okay.
So lena ba dirile the same thing, they called me aside. Where ba mpolele ditaba tsaka. So when we get that side, that prophet said, "My child, it is me, your God. Ke nna go hobiditse with this side." I was like, and then he said to me, "Hore, everything that you have been through while you're still a child, I was the one who was protecting you and fighting for you." Remember, I get to introduce ke bile kara di warfare tse di baya.
Oh yes.
Yeah, from an early age. So ke ba le di yo a ke tsebe ke tla reng ke di warfare tsa mfuta man, but at that time I did not understand. Or why baloi they could attack me, why abathakathi bangishapa, why like in my family I can say where I was that kind of person elolo o shapiwa aholo more than abantwana basekhaya.
Why? Because bo umntwana or mhlambe indaba yesikole bowuhlakaniphile desifana leso.
Yeah, esikoleni vela bengihlakaniphile because of ake gopola handle. I was not that kind of a child loro I could study, but every time I must bala phuma position 1 or 2. But to take a book in yafunda
oh yes.
But immediately when we were at the class manyare aruta na ke sharp dikeni. Yeah, I was that kind of person.
Oh yes.
Yeah, but until incwadi yami itimela, that's where I started to struggle.
usafunda isikole ngaleso sikhathi?
Yeah, bengisafunda isikole. Yeah. But still neke encounter lot of challenges. A lot of warfare.
Ungawa explain nje those.
Okay, anyway, there was a time whereby this eye, the left one, it was swollen.
Oh.
Yeah, to a point whereby I have to do operation out if I keep this eye.
Aibo.
But by His grace, as I get to that point.
Yo.
There was a time whereby Kirile Kiduzi, when I see someone on my knee, I can pull a fella. I keep pull I some of painful until it make a hole.
Aibo.
That hole, it was supposed to go hospital, but what's a lot. Because of I remember we really go queuing, really go hospital. So by His grace, Morena, I from your early age,
yes.
That day it happened at that hospital, no snotty doctor. They had to rush to other side of emergency. They said all doctor by kai.
Oh yes.
So by now that I attender late.
Hey. Yo.
So kare really hona mona kare kile o saying around 7 until 2 o'clock. And I was in pain.
Yo.
Then someone called us. Or no, since there is no doctors, there is a man who help people maybe 2 kilometers away from the hospital. Yeah, Munobele, Munawal Postola, you see those kind of
like
Papara Izambat.
Yes, yes. So sitho baba mfundisi intefana le baba umthandazi.
Yeah. So I don't know how God, I don't want to say that God used those people, but by that time I had to worry anything can help.
Yes.
I had to go to that person. So indeed Egifitla Liana, he was a prophet. He was the one who told me, you know what, you are lucky. Because of if the doctor gave the whole truth, their solution or that thing yaja iskaja the whole body. Because of that thing we trauma where's a hole. There was this kind of hole on my knee. Then other thing, because I'm cut short.
But ke wakusiza ke ulunyawo laphola.
Yeah ulanginikeza ezinye izinto uthi jeloro I can't even describe them here.
Okay.
Yeah, because
of describe. That is cut.
They are not useless. Necessary because of ba amanzi, salt, those kind of things.
Oh, okay, yes.
Yeah, awana. So keneloro ungisizile.
Okay.
And another thing, I was that kind of child loro agorobetse itlo wana dinto.